Hey friends, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. Today we are going to discuss about Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500 and precious commodities gold and silver. Before we go ahead and start our analysis, in case you have not subscribed to our channel, please go ahead, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon. You will get the notification of all future videos which I make on this channel. So now let's go and quickly check the economic calendar. As I mentioned in my last weekend analysis video, there were two important major events which were about to happen. The first one is FOMC minutes of meeting, and the second important is inflation data. So inflation data is on this Thursday, which will be very important because last time Mr. Powell said that there will be the three rate cuts. So we need to see on this Thursday what it is going to happen. Before this inflation report, last week you have seen that market has done a profit booking in a big margin. We were down by in all the 5 days. So let's go ahead and see the charts and understand what market did in the last week. So this is the chart of Nasdaq 100. Uh, this was the Friday's candle, and then you can see that Monday was the holiday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. There was a solid profit booking of 1.660%, 1.6% on Tuesday, 1% on Wednesday, and 5%, 0.5% on Thursday. So that was almost, you can see, 2.5, 3.5% of profit booking happened. So let's see and understand what markets wants to do now. So I mentioned that once it starts trading below 16,880 in Nasdaq 100, you will see the three downside levels: 16,750, 16,600, and 16,420. Now you can see that there is a very good development happening for the upside into the market. This is kind of morning star uh, pattern is about to create. Uh, we will come to know by end of the day on Monday, coming Monday, if it has formed that morning star pattern or not. This pattern says that after the doji candle, if you see a green candle and there is the before candle is the red, means first day red, second day is doji, and third day is green. Then that creates a morning star pattern, and that too after a big fall, after a good number of downside candles. If you see this kind of pattern forming, then you might see the reversal on the cards, right? So let's talk about the levels here. So let me draw the levels. Before that, let me turn off the volume so that to get the clear picture. And these are the levels, and I need to draw the downside level also in case we don't get a rate cut. So these are the levels here. Let me quickly draw. So these are the levels. This is the first green, this is the second green, and this will be the third green. Okay. Yeah. So right now, 16,400 is a good bottom. If we don't break below that, then the first target is 16,600, second 16,750, third 16,880, and then 17,050, and then 17,155. These are the upside levels. If we manage to stay below 16,400, if we manage to stay below 16,400, then 16,300 and 16,150 on the cards. But I am again bullish. Right now, I'm bullish. I think market should show the reversal. So this was about the Nasdaq 100. Now quickly see the S&P. For the S&P 500, you can see the way Nasdaq fall, there was not that much big fall in the S&P 500. Sorry, Dow Jones. For the Dow Jones, the levels are same. 37,800. This is the resistance. If we break and sustain above this 37,800, Then 38,000 and 38,200 are the short-term upside targets. On the downside, I will talk only if it breaks below 37,400. If it breaks below 37,400, then 36,975 and 36,725. These are the two downside targets for the Dow Jones. Let's quickly see the chart of S&P 500. For the S&P 500, same structure like Nasdaq 100. It has a very good support at 4,700 and the resistance is coming around 4,800, right? So there is a good chance, like, one could uh, see that 4,700 is a bottom. Definitely, it is going to try to go towards 4,800, and if we get the good CPI data, then 4,851, 4,900, and 5,000. These are the targets for S&P 500. So this was about all three indexes. Now we are going to the fourth index is pending, and that is Russell. For the Russell, same. 1950 is a support, and it will go and try to go towards 2045, and if it managed to stay above 2045, then you will see 2130, 2200, and 2250. These upsides are pending, and you will definitely see this is going to achieve if we manage to cross 2045. Now, if we start trading below 1975, then the first target would be 1900 for the downside, which I am not expecting, but market is supreme. The second target is 1865. These are the two downside targets. Now let's go ahead and talk about the precious commodities, gold and silver. Gold is at the exact at the support level of 2052. If it managed to stay above 2052, then again it will try to go towards 2100. And if it sustain above 2100, then 2151 and 2200 are the targets. If it doesn't stay above 2050, then 2025 and 2000, these are the lower targets for the gold. I'm expecting an upside in gold as well. For the silver, silver is showing a lot of up and down sides in the market. Right now, silver is trading at 23.35. If it doesn't stay above this 33 23.25, if it doesn't stay above 23.25, then it will again show the next number of 22.75. But I think silver will also show its upside, and it will go. First target is $24. $24 is the first target, second is 24.50, and third is 25.20. In nutshell, as this economic event is coming, I am bullish uh, on the economic uh, on this event day. If something goes against the market expectation, then definitely we'll see the new bottoms. But if they go as per the expectations, then you are going to see a big short covering. Whatever shorts are made in the market or whatever profit booking has done, market will definitely reverse from that. So this was all about today, my friends. This video was short and was quick to help you and to understand the better. Last but not least, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, subscribe to this channel, and let's learn and earn together. Thank you, my friends. You have a good one.